Hello everyone, I'm here to show you really quickly the databases that we have that provide background information that are considered reference resources. From the library database page, let's just go back here, article database page. These first three are our encyclopedias and dictionaries that you learned about in class this week. For your assignment this week, you are going to look up a term that has some broad aspect of your topic in the Oxford English Dictionary. So let's go ahead and take a look here. If I do global warming, here's the definition. And this is something you can directly quote and put into your introduction paragraph. And then up here is the citation tool where you can preview the selection. You always want to choose the 8th edition of MLA, and that is the citation that you would copy and paste over to your Works Cited page. That is not the in-text citation. You're going to need to look at the sample I provided to see how that is done. So that's the first database you're going to use. The other one is the Gale Virtual Reference Library. It's also called Gale eBooks, which is a little confusing, but the only books included in this database are subject encyclopedias. So as you can see here, we've got the Encyclopedia of Environmental Health, Immigration and Migration. We've got arts encyclopedias, education encyclopedias, environmental encyclopedias, legal, literature, medicine, science, religion. It's a pretty extensive database of subject encyclopedias, and we're always adding new titles. So in here, if I did climate change, I spelled it wrong, so didn't find anything. So we've got some articles on climate change. They're from different encyclopedias. This one's from the Environmental Science. You can see how many pages it is. It's 11 pages. We've got stuff from bioethics, science, technology, and ethics. So if you open one of these up, you just click on the title. Here's the full text of the article in the encyclopedia. You can see that it talks about, it gives you a chronological timeline of the topic, some images, impacts and issues. It's a fairly long article, but I'm going to scroll up to point out this toolbar on top, and again you can click the citation tool to generate either the APA citation, the MLA citation, and copy and paste that into your Works Cited page. So those are the two databases you will be using for your assignment this week, and let me know if you have any questions or are having any trouble accessing them.